Warm welcome to my channel, The Desi Analyst, and thanks for watching last week's video of wealth creation on long term and your most common query on how to earn rupees 500 in intraday. We'll cover up later. Why later? That also you will come to know the reason that time as it is linked up with intraday trading. So I will cover up in intraday trading session. Okay. Now let's continue with investment from long term to medium term and short term in today's video. Medium term investment. Medium term investment also varies from person to person as per their needs, but it is usually for 5 to 10 years where you want to earn a decent return with less risk. Means your main focus is of earning a consistent amount with very less risk. Here in medium term investment, your main focus should be on dividend yield companies, that is the companies which pay dividend consistently. The formula for computing the dividend yield is equal to cash dividend per share divided by market price per share into 100. So suppose a company with a stock price of rupees 100 declares a dividend of rupees 10 per share. In that case, the dividend yield of the stock will be 10 divided by 100 into 100, which is 10%. So high dividend yield stocks are good investment options during volatile times as these companies offer good payoff options. Medium term goal is usually balance between risk and return, being more conservative than long term investments but more risk tolerant than short term options. The idea should be securing capital is first priority and generating less, but pretty sure income is the second priority, and this balance is to be maintained and mainly focused on. In medium term, you can also choose consistent growth companies wherein a negative trend. Also, the company growth is consistent and comes up with a decent set of numbers, whether it is quarter on quarter or year on year, and of course, which pays dividend. Nowadays, majority don't prefer medium term investment and as they are mainly interested for short term gains and choose short term over medium term. So let us start with short term investment. Short term too varies from person to person like long and medium term, but here the aim is different. The aim is common in short term of quick profits. Okay, usually short term is counted as 6 months to 2 to 3 years. But wait, majority here considered it is for less than a year and mainly for 3 to 6 months. In short term, you can choose opportunities based and seasonal based companies. Say, for instance, Corona came, so that time pharma companies, laboratories based companies rallied. In summer, appliances based on AC, fans rally. In monsoon, agriculture based companies, etc., rallies. Apart from that, news and government policies based sector rallies, etc. Stake sell to merger and tie-ups to institutional approval for higher stake ratio and so on. So these kind of companies you can look forward for short-term investments. The demand increases with the time and the impact lasts for months to years as per the depth of that demand, and you have to utilize it in the best way like बहती गंगा में हाथ धो लिया. Investment for long term, medium term, and short term has been covered in short and easy to way understand and simple language, though some points might have been left out or are uncovered, possibly which will be covered up in future at appropriate time as per the opportunities and the availabilities in the current market scenario. Okay, next video is the one many of you are waiting for. So guess the topic and write it down in the comment box which will be the next video. And for queries, I might come on live on YouTube, but need a good presence for that. And if you wish to see me live answering your queries, then like this video and comment waiting for live in the comment box. You can also contact me by email. My email address is thedesianalyst@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter, that is twitter.com/thedesianalyst, and you can follow my Telegram channel also, the Desi Analyst. You can search on Telegram application the Desi Analyst, you will easily get. So hopefully I will wait for your comments, especially for the answer what you are guessing, that what is the next topic and what are you waiting for. Okay, so see you next time, hopefully live.